In this InstaLOD Showcase, discover how Wargaming automates their asset optimization pipeline for World of Tanks modern armor.
A task that otherwise will take days or hours can be done in a matter of minutes.
Artists can create multiple LODs for the same game asset at the same time instead of one at a time.
A technical innovation that supports the overall vision for World of Tanks modern armor. For every 3D asset present on a map, models exist at different levels of detail, or LODs, a term which describes the complexity of the model. Tanks, however, require the highest number of LODs. For every tank in the game, the art team generates 3 to 5 LODs. InstaLOD has been the team's go-to solution for creating LODs thanks to its integration with 3ds Max and the customization that InstaLOD allows. Especially important to the artist is that for every LOD for every tank, InstaLOD maintains the tank's shape while creating high-performance models, a benefit that built-in modification tools don't always provide.
Here we have a Cold War tank, which we use InstaLOD for. Up here in this area is our modifier stack. This is a custom TechArt created modifier that allows me to select from a predefined list of presets. For an example, I'll select tank because that's the model I'm working on. I'll hit the optimize button and let the tool handle everything. For this example, I just did the hull. I'll isolate it, and here you have the first LOD step next to the original. As you can see, the shape is pretty similar, and even from a distance, you can't tell that there's less triangles. But when you look at the polygon count, the original is at 24,000, and the LOD first step is at 12,000. If I was to pop in the second LOD, you can see that this one is at 6,000 triangles, and you can't tell the difference from a distance.
Players get to enjoy high-quality gameplay in Cold War mode, while the artists behind the game get to enjoy streamlined workflow. By working with presets and feeding them to InstaLOD scripted pipeline, the team can quickly process multiple LODs with expected and reliable results.
If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. For the latest news about InstaLOD, please visit our website, follow us on X, join us on Discord, or sign up for the Abstract community. You can find all the links in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.